Hey everyone, Mike Planet here. In this video I want to show you how you can create some StarLapse with your Insta360 ONE X and the ONE R app. I will show you how, and we see us after the intro. Cool, welcome back. Okay, now we're going right into it. I got this question from Mike that I should tell you guys how you can combine the Insta360 ONE X with the ONE R app so you can create awesome StarLapse. So at first you need to connect your Insta360 ONE X with your iPhone and then with the ONE R app. So what you do at first is you turn on your Insta360 ONE X. Then you need to make sure that your ONE X Wi-Fi option is an on and not on auto. Then you go to your phone, connect the Wi-Fi with your phone and the camera. Then you go in the ONE R app, which is here. Then you go to the photo icon, and now you can see me here. This is my studio actually. So now you can see this in the app. So if you want to set up your ONE X for StarLapse, you have to use the app. So I recommend setting up the Insta360 ONE X with your app, connect it with a power bank so that you're not run out of juice, and then you start shooting your interval shoot. Not StarLapse, you don't have this option here. You also can use the Insta360 Evo to create some awesome StarLapse. So let's go back to the app. Okay, at first what you have to do is you go on photo, then you choose interval photo, very important. Then you choose manual mode. From manual mode you choose ISO 200 or 400. You need to try this out with your first picture to see how bright it is. So if more light is coming from any street light, then you need to bring down the ISO on 200. You also need to adjust the shutter speed. Depends, I'm right now here on this little island where literally no light is, so I'm usually use the ISO on 200 with the shutter speed open 60 seconds. Depends how bright the sky are and how crazy the moon is. So how bright the moon is actually. If you have it on manual mode, choose the ISO 400. If you go to 800, it could be really noisy. What you do at next is you're setting up the shutter speed. The shutter speed, you go all the way down to 60 seconds or 80 seconds. Now you need to make sure that your time from one photo to the other photo is set on 30 seconds or 1 minute. Just leave it on 1 minute so that your camera have time to save the photos on your memory card. Again, you use the photo mode, interval photo. The time between one photo to the other photo should be 30 seconds or 1 minute. Choose manual mode, ISO 200 or 400. The shutter speed are on 50, 60, 80 or 100 seconds. I recommend use 80 seconds. White balance on auto, or for night I use 270 Kelvin, which makes the image looks a little bit colder. In post-production you also can go up with the white balance. That's all. Now you can create this awesome StarLapse. So you're just pressing play. Boop. And now the Insta360 ONE X creates some awesome interval photos, which you can import the files then to the ONE R app. And just stop because I was testing it before. I will show you. Okay, what's happened right now is I pressed start and I couldn't stop. So maybe I pressed it too short. So if this has happened, just restart your camera, restart your app to just connect everything new again. So keep in mind, these are different apps, so which not can work fluent together. So sometimes could be a little bit buggy, but still you can enjoy all the features. We restarted the camera and we connected the camera with the ONE R app. So now I'm going to album, camera. Here are the photos. So this is actually the interval photo which I did before. It's a little bit overexposed. This is just a quick test to show you how you can use the Insta360 ONE X with the ONE R app and create some awesome StarLapse. We are going to the story mode at first. Then you choose StarLapse because we want to create some awesome StarLapse. Then you say use this theme. Then you choose the interval photos, which is your time lapse actually. So what you see is moving stars. But if you turn on the star trails, you can see these awesome stars. So this was actually interval photo for around like 1 or 2 hours. So it's just a quick video to show you this here in the preview. Well done, now you know how to create awesome StarLapse with your Insta360 ONE X and the ONE R app together. Also, you can use the other templates in the short lapse. Auto time shift, stop motion, StarLapse, dolly zoom, bullet time mix, and all the other features. So I hope you're really happy that you can use now the Insta360 ONE X with your ONE R app. If this video helps for you, please give me a thumb up. Write in the comment down below if you're using the Insta360 ONE X or the ONE R or the Evo for your StarLapse. And until next time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. We see us and stay creative. See you until next time.